Okay folks, here we go. First of all, you put your description in here, words that are relevant to what you want to get. Then you choose your style or scenario and your size. Then if you want to, you can upload an image. Just for easiness, I'll use one I've done earlier. Just let it load. Takes a while sometimes, depending on how big the image is. Once the image is loaded, you go to generate. Click it once with your left mouse button and wait for it to load. And as you can see, it does 4 at a time. Sometimes you don't get all 4. Here we go, I've got one starting now. You can either go to freeload once it's loaded, or you can right click, which is what I do because it seems quicker. Sometimes it skips, so you don't get a chance to right click. Right click, save as, done. There you are, that's saved. Next, right click, save as, done. Not sure if these will load or not. Sometimes it skips them. So I'm going to be looking at least 3 of them. While that's doing that, if you click on publish, that takes you to your own gallery and it publishes it so everybody can see it. The share facility means you share it. Free downloaders, if you want to just download it without right clicking and saving as, and if you download an HD one, when you first start you get a free HD one, but it uses all your credits up. So once you've used your credits up, you either have to pay to get it, or you end up with a silly logo on all the images. But you can, if you send an image to your gallery, you can download the HD version later when you have credit. But either way, everything you create is free. So that's why I use it. I think it's pretty good. And you can just have a lot of fun. Basically, the more you input, the more the images change. You don't need to upload a picture, you can just use the words and hope it works okay. As you can see, we have created 3. Oh, no, we've created 4. As long as you've got the patience, you can do it for as long as you like. Just constantly create, generate, or change sizes. Football fan, you can go and get all these football characters, cartoons basically. Over here there's loads and loads of different things you can do, all free. And if you want to get technical, use the device properly, there's pricing, loads of other tools you can use, as you can see. But I've just gone into the basics because it's free and I'm happy with that. So there you go, there's an update for you now, you know how it works. Best of luck, have some fun.